Okay, we got a little bling mod, a few things to kind of dress up the inside of the new Tacoma back here. And by the way, these do come from Lexland if you're interested in checking those out or anything else. And there is a discount code, it is RobMotive. You can save 20% over there. Let's check out what I've got here. They are little rings. They actually call them Central Control Knob Deco rings or decorative rings. These, of course, are for the bigger knobs. This is for the radio, I'm assuming. The engine stop-start, which I probably won't put on because I kind of dig the black one that I have, but if you're wanting a red one, then maybe I will use it. I don't know yet. And I'm not sure what this one is for. Probably the surround for the engine stop-start, or engine, yeah, start-stop, I guess, button. So they also provide, it looks like, some double-sided tape in here. And the reason I think that is because there is a little bit of double-sided tape on this ring and also on the back of these rings to hold them on, obviously. And I think these strips are supposed to go around the inside of these to hold them on if they don't fit snugly anyway, which I'm not sure if they will or not. So, okay, we are in the truck, obviously, and you can see some of the additions I've added already. This I got from Lexland as well. But let's grab one of these rings, and I'm curious if it will just fit. And it feels like it would. I could just push it on. I really wouldn't need to use any tape or anything, but let's just get an idea before I decide exactly what I want to do. You guys can see what those look like, and that actually looks pretty good. The stop button, it would go over the existing, like you can see right there. A pretty cool look. However, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use the ring like so, and then I'm gonna leave the stop-start or start-stop, geez, I'm gonna leave that button black because I like the contrast. But it comes in the kit, so you can kind of decide yourself if you want to do this, or maybe you could just put the red button on there, I guess, and leave it black around the edges. A couple of options for what you can do there. And I'll save this. If I decide I want to go ahead and go full Monty, then I'll go ahead and put this on as well. But for now, I think we're just going to do the ring. And of course, what I do typically, I've got some rubbing alcohol down here. I'll just clean off around the edge so that I get the best chance for adhesion. And these, I'm going to leave off the strips they provide that I showed you earlier here in the bag, and we'll see. Now, the other piece is the radio knob, and I think I kind of like that. What I've got right now is just a grommet that I had, or actually I bought at Lowe's, that I've put around the radio knob, but I think I am going to go ahead and replace it with this one. Because it's going to give me a little bit bigger size. Obviously, because it's red, it's going to pop out and I'm going to be able to locate it quickly when I want to turn the radio, not like that teeny tiny little knob, right? So that's probably where I'm going to start. Again, this does have some double-sided tape. I don't know if you can see it in the camera on the inside. I will take that off because I think I am going to do this one permanently. Got on what I'm going to put on. And this is what it looks like. I dig it. These, by the way, are tight enough. You don't need any tape or anything, and I like that. They just slip on, which means you could pull them off if you wanted to without having to deal with any kind of tape residue or anything crazy like that. I like that. The one on the radio knob, the two pieces of adhesive that they provide with it are actually a little bit too thin, I think. I actually put my own on, and I may still do something else with it, I'm not sure. But I do like the look of it. I think it's pretty cool. Awesome. I think it's good stuff. Now this other one, I don't know what this is supposed to be for. It doesn't fit on here, obviously. I think it's if you have 3 knobs or whatever, maybe a different system than what I have. Or maybe it's for the Forerunner or something. I'm not exactly sure, but it's kind of like a bonus piece, I guess. If you ever damage one of these, you've got a backup. Anyway, I think it's pretty neat. I think I'm about done, except for the center console area here. I do have the trim piece, which I redid because I didn't like the way it came out. But I think I'm about done with red accenting in here. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Is it too much? Is it starting to look gaudy? Or does it actually add some, I guess, appeal to the truck the way that it is? I'd be really curious to know what you guys think. Anyway, that's it. I'm done. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.